Welcome back to the Sunshine Day. Today we are playing Ratchet and Clank 5. In actually something to do is another sucker something to do, but we got new game. Okay, there we go into 2006. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. I feel like they're actually doing Welcome to the Sunshine. Cutscenes! What are you doing? Okay. What the hell is going on?
Son is murdered today. I swear, Clank, I'm done with all that hero stuff. Now let somebody else save the universe. I need a little me time.
If there is trouble, then it is our duty to ensure that...
Welcome back. In this control is nice. Okay. Oh my goodness. Wait a second. The enemy's crap. Oh god. This is the actual body. It's tutorial. So actually this is what it's.
And R button at the same time to crouch. Press the X button while crouching to do a high
Welcome to the tutorial. This time we got an episode. To the action more. Okay. I need to go. Stop picturing me! Oh my god, I actually just doing this rat is evil. Because it's something to do.
R button and the X button while press select to enter first person mode. And target on the gate to open it.
Okay. Okay. Fire open. Oh no, I can't. Wait a minute. I mean destroy box. Okay.
Press and hold the triangle button.
Oh my.
Select another weapon. Try using the analog stick to select the acid bomb glove.
Okay. Hey, do you like the grenade? How about this? Oh my god. I mean to actually just wanted 4 bullets. If you actually just wanted this, is because not good. Okay, I need to use the pistol mode. God damn, I actually just wanted. Fuck. Oh, so I actually can do this controller mode. I'm pressed the another one this controller. Okay. There we go. Nice try. Hey! The octopus, will you picture me? Huh? You stupid piece of shit! Okay. Alright. Let's go to fight in this water. Okay. I'm not gonna do. What if this one? Okay, there you go. There you go. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, I need to kill the pistol. Hey, are you picture me? No, you're actually a superstar. Wait a second. I'm new. What are you actually doing? The worst son of a bitch. Oh, we got a costume. Great. Stop that! Talk about. What the hell is this, dude?
Can't wait to show everyone the pictures.
I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow your house in.
Looks like I'm gonna be late for my massage. Let's go.
Okay, we gotta. What I'm doing? Ah. So actually you can do control. There we go. Now we gotta talk about here. Hey, Crack, come here! Yeah, that was so close. Okay. And we gotta fire this one here. So we gotta collect all the coins. We gotta whatever unlock super shotgun. I mean, actually something shotgun. Okay. We actually here.
You can run up magnetic surfaces.
Oh
using your
my
fingers.
god.
Try walking up that wall.
Ah, ah, ah! Not today! Not so fast! Okay, we gotta do what the enemies this down. Oh, I see it! In an actual secret. Oh my god. Dude, I think actually what you're gonna do is want it. So I actually with a secret mode use this one. Okay. Okay, okay. Oh, you're like getting spiders here. Okay. There we go. And now we get actually back today. So actually this is what I do. I'm change menu the forcible this actually controller. If we actually
Position.
try to over there back the bullets.
Electron vendor.
Okay. Oh god. I tried to actually bullet. And this was nothing. Okay. Oh my god. We gotta actually change it over. Okay, there we go. Okay, nothing actually with a delivery. Okay. Stop! There you go. Okay. Oh my god. Welcome to the Ancient Island. Okay. You left the mic before you stop me! Okay, there you go. Now we gotta talk about here. Oh. Okay, there we go, there we go, there we go! Enemies is crap down. Okay, okay. Do you see it over here? Oh, crabs is nothing. Okay, there we go.
Throw his wrench at enemies. Crouch with the L and R buttons, and press the square button to throw the wrench.
I can't. Oh, this is actually very packed tutorial. Hey enemies! Are you gonna approach me? Oh my god! We got a weapon! Oh, we got a secret mode. Okay, oh god. Where is this nothing can do? I need to use them. This and this is for a collection with nothing that's actually a very good idea. What if this is a corrupt this one and this one here? There we go. Okay, there we go. It is nothing. Oh, then we got it. We got here. Oh, the enemies come. Oh, sweet. That was actually really nice. Okay, I meet it one day. There we go. And let's get back to here. Okay.
Target acquired. Proceeding to Galadon.
Help me!
I can't believe we lost her. Why would they want a little girl?
Oh my god, we lost again?
Do not believe they were after.
It doesn't disappear. We got changed.
They were after
This over.
Well,
Tree planet.
What is this?
If my memory bank serves me
Okay,
correctly,
here we
I
go.
believe it is a technomite artifact.
Yeah, right. Seriously.
We got a superpower. We not have something is secret actually. What is this?
Technomite technomites are just some fairy story that parents tell their kids to explain how technology works. They don't.
Clank, you did it!
I believe they do exist, and this could
And
prove
this
it.
was
That's
nothing.
why those robots wanted that child to get this.
Oh, there she is! Gotham superhero!
Whoa, that was quite a jog. Is that what I think it is? Oh, gimme. I haven't seen one of these since... Well, I've never actually seen one, but I've heard stories about the technomites and their mystical objects.
There are no techno.
What is gonna happen here? Okay.
The technomites.
Yeah, technomites. Real tricky that way. All right, let's get this over with. Where are we going?
Well,
I'd go that way, but that's just me.
Oh, Quark. Why can't you just leave us alone?
You covered over this word. It was a shot.
we should take this object.
Of course I do. But what's in it for
In the 40 axis, this one here.
Your family, right?
Oh, there she is, this camera.
Well, if you tell us where to go, you can
If you really used to attack camera, use the word with
history.
auto camera, you gotta.
With the nachos, and then for the entree, can we do the enchiladas con queso, carnitas, sopa?
Wait a minute, this one here. So I actually destroy the exit camera, whatever the exit flying, and then we got actually unlocked secret mode. Okay, there we go. What happened? Damn, I actually. There we go. Shotgun. I'm actually buying one. There we go. The shot. Oh, okay, there we go. Stop talking about. Okay, there we go. Okay. Oh my god, we got Hexy here. Okay, we're actually back to here. What the fuck is this? I fear I actually use the gun.
What should we do? Just ignore them. They are probably an automatic security system.
All right, let's keep moving. They blew up real good, though.
Wait. You went in Discord channel? Oh my god. There we go. I'm in good there. Oh my god, we got a monster flower. Okay. Wolf monster!
R button together to center the camera behind Ratchet.
Okay, I'm used to playing this shot come out. Okay, there we go. And now it happens. Okay. Wait a second. Just believe in corrupt mode. Welcome to corruption mode. Welcome back to corruption mode. Of this time actually platformer is stuck. Wait a second. Who is that man? I mean, hey, Ninja, get out of here! Fall out this one here?
Whoa, hang on there. Now be careful with that.
What the hell is this? Oh my god, the flower monster!
What's happening?
What?
It looks like a pizza.
Oh god. Oh god.
Different mimic plants gain unique abilities
Okay.
when they're planted in electrosoil. This rat's fruit is a powerful explosive.
The powerful actually this one, this. Okay. Flower, come here. Me actually this one here. Shotgun is working? Yes. Shotgun that was working. There you go! Still live, flower! Ridiculous something to do. Platformer! Okay, nothing. There we go! We got a 10 HP. Okay. Okay, we gotta work this. Okay, the gun is. Oh, no, I mean not good.
You've planted a launcher plant.
Launcher.
Select a hyper shot from the quick select menu and hold the circle button while aimed at the target to attack.
Okay.
Swing.
Okay, there you go. Okay. Okay, we gotta click bullets. Okay. What the hell is gonna happen? There you go. Hey, Ninja, good eye, are you holding back to here? There we go. Ding that, ding that. Oh, we got a malt. All right, there we go. Wait a second. We gotta this one here. I think that actually is for the puzzle mode. For the completely costume is fire.
Yeah, great. It's locked. Well, looks like we'll never
Wait
find
a
out what
second.
that weird doohickey is. Come on, let's go.
More water, sir? More water, sir? More water.
Think of design.
Press the square button to punch with Clank. These gadgets are
If it actually would have used this as its one punch, they wouldn't. By the way,
you can issue
could you imagine about that?
commands by holding
The
down
Clank
triangle button.
is actually what it would. Is exactly. I watch. By the way, could you imagine about that? This anime with actually one punch. With actually you can do the way they were controlling this one here. Of this one here. Clank! You wholly very powerful!
To defeat enemies, tell your gadgets to attack.
Oh god. Atacus! 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 There we go. The one is down. I very maybe use the controller. The robot. Oh, not today. We got enemies Classic! Okay. Do you see about our camera this one? Check this out. Oh, bleh. I'm sorry, I talk about here.
To pick up Gadgetbots, aim at them and press the circle button.
Okay, there we go. Alright. Talk about here. I feel like get up there. There we go. In timer command of this one here. There we go. There we go. Attack, attack, attack. Attack. There we go. And nothing happens this one here. Okay. Alright. Let's go back to here. In this one here. Okay. Look at this very worried corruption platformer. Oh my god. Wait a second. This is actually puzzle mode. Great. Okay. You ready to attack? There you go. So this one is like here. Oh, this is disappeared platformer. I can try to shoot. There we go. Fuck. Okay. You know what I'm talking about? Okay, there we go. I'm used to go fast. Oh my god, how actually doing?
Ratchet.
We gotta...
How do we know this whole place won't explode when you put that on there?
We do not.
What do you say?
See, I told you. Big waste of time.
We gotta unlock the planet. Of this is over. Look at this animation lasers. It's straight actually worth it. I know something that was good. Alright, we got unlocked planet. This was probably here. I'm actually trying to once again episode of Ratchet and Clank 5.
They built these rooms to keep track of the planets they inhabited. This one is Caledon.
Hey, that's where that robot soldier said he was taking the...
Migu, why are you?
Welcome to hell. Darkness planet.
This does not seem right. It has been too easy.
Easy?
Letters con queso, carnitas, sopa.
And I'll blow your...
Okay, we got unlocked. What the fuck is this? The flamethrower. And we got it here. Used to unlock secret weapon. We are creating the word custom weapon. Okay.
Tweaking the old engine, eh?
Why? What have you heard?
Wait a minute. We got a skateboard race.
We did not mean to upset you. Yeah, well, you can't be too careful these days, right? I mean, first they accuse me of using nanoroids, right? Then they say I'm like I'm using illegal alternative fuel. Do I look like a cheater to you?
No. Not at all. You seem A-okay to me.
All right, here, man. Let's race.
Okay, let's rock!
If you can beat me, I'll have a surprise for you.
Okay, there you go. Let's go back to race. Okay. Alright, there's nothing can do. Alright, there we go. I mean, a good idea. Wanted this one is already this working. Okay, I want place. 3 left. You can do with it everything. Okay. By the way, future Mountain about the previous episode of Space Race. You can do actually skateboard. We actually already hear something. Okay. Alright, here we go on the final lap. Wait a minute, there's more? Okay, there was actually more. Okay, not today. Not today, Tiger. Alright, there we go. You win! I win!
Give us something if we beat you?
Okay,
This is a
I
shrink.
win.
They are very difficult to acquire. Here, man. You can have these too. They're way too slippery for me to use.
Enough happens. Okay, see you later. I'm back to race once again. Oh my god. Okay. We actually back to here is something to do. Okay. Okay. I actually what I do with this one. We gotta, talk about, we got a flamethrower. The flamethrower. Use to try to this. Look at this. It's actually the upgrade. Oh my god. Look at this. It's actually tape for the flamethrower. It's one here. Okay. So I actually but I just wanted to hear. Okay. I actually want a secret mode. I gotta do it. Here we go. Secret mode unlocked. Okay. Okay, there we go. Oh my god, we gotta actually, you can do puzzle mode. There you go. One and two. There we go. Okay. Do you like the fire? Huh? Do you like the fire? Okay. Nothing on that secret mode. Okay. And one has with here. There we go. And now we create all the robot evil. Wait a minute. Choose. Okay, okay. All right. Wait. It's a trap. Okay. Alright. Wait a minute. The controller back to normal. Okay. Okay. Wait a minute. The feeling grenade. Alright. And now I gotta doing the flamethrower. Huh? Wait a minute. And now we're back to here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, that was so close. And now we gotta do. Fuck. Oh my god, it's actually battle royale with the poisoned. Okay, okay. Okay, we gotta choose. And now we gotta choose is fire. We gotta unlock fire mode. Not today. Here we go to 10 bullets. Okay, we got a shotgun with the final here. Okay, what's next? Oh, we gotta poison mode. Okay, the react for the back to here. Is platformer. Okay. Oh my god, I'm sorry, I kicked it straight to fast. Alright, I'll talk about. I hold jump the exit platformer with once again. Okay. I did it! That was actually the power cone with the this. The black poison. Okay. There's nothing you can do. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I changed the flamethrower with this. Okay, there you go. Okay. Okay, there we go. Okay. And around here. And now actually to the left. Okay, I'm used to switch over there. One here. And there we go. There you go. I'll talk about this Ratchet Clank is back to part 2, which one is actually this one is in boss level. It actually with the upgrade with actually weapon this time. But I actually just want to do next about this thing. We gonna play in the secret mode about this thing. So see you next to the new episode.